Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. You're looking at our self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. A lot of us are working hard. Guys, it's called a torpedo pot. You see that pot right there? That pot has been designed to develop the fungal environment in the soil. And so it lets the right amount of water go through the planter itself, and it takes off and it starts to grow things like you've never seen before. Look at this, isn't that amazing? That's what a torpedo pot does. Again, these are torpedo pots. The materials themselves have been chosen specifically because we want to reduce as much antibacterial components as possible and to cause things to grow at an alarming rate like you've never seen before. Not just plants. Isn't that beautiful though? Oh, they're watering that now. Look at them. They're all on an automated watering system. All 100 planters. Which means I can grow more food than my local farm. Yeah, I can. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? That smells so good down the whole block. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bush. Oh my gosh. And I have flowering cherry trees. I have apple trees. And I have beets. And one planter, we can grow 30 beets. Isn't that amazing? I got lots of beets that I can choose from. These are just some of the things we're growing in a torpedo pot, self-growing planter. You simply put your seeds and your plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. Which means that look at the quality of food that's coming out of that planter. But you won't find that any place. No way. I don't see a flaw anywhere, do you? Well, that's what the torpedo pot does. It grows your food for you. It's been growing in that planter now. Food has been growing in that planter now for the last 5 years. That planter has been growing this food for just that long. Yeah, we build planting systems that we want to last a very, very, very long time. This celery will grow about, I don't know, 2, 3 feet. And I'll get maybe about 5 to 6 pounds, from 3 to 5 pounds of celery from that one planter. It's watering right now, that's why you see the water down there. Amazing, isn't it? I love it. It's called Torpedo Pot, the world's first self-growing planter. And look how beautiful it is. It's gorgeous. Your whole arrangement changes because now you have food that you've never had before. Look at peas down below. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds, your lettuce, and your peas, and your lettuce in these planters, and they grow your food for you. Don't let this little small planter fool you. It's only 9 inches, and guess what? It grew 17 tomatoes. These are torpedo pots. These are pea plants. And boy, all I do is walk up and I just snap it off and eat it. Did you see the lettuce? I've eaten that, and guess what? It grows back. Yeah, these are torpedo pots. All you do is put your seeds and plants in this planter and you'll have food that just comes back over and over and over again. See how that is right now? How big it's supposed to be. Which is right here. And that's pretty huge. Oh, I love that. And it's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. I've never seen anything like it. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. That's my lettuce. Then I have my peas. Yeah, I don't know, 35, 50 pea plants in each one of these planters. I guess in one planter I might get about 60, 70 peas if I want to. Look at that lettuce. Isn't that lettuce huge? That's a huge lettuce right there. Wow, that's beautiful. That's absolutely gorgeous. That's beautiful. Look at that. That's absolutely stunning. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in these planters and they grow your food for you. Even the red lettuce. Look how gorgeous that is. Have you ever seen things so beautiful growing in home like this? Dude, I just harvested my lettuce. Yes. You see I harvested. This grew back. This will be my second harvest of this. I had no harvest from this right here. I've harvested about 1.1 pounds from just this one planter. And that's the lettuce. And I'll come back and I'll harvest some more. Look how beautiful it is. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds or your plants in that planter and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. It grows it perfectly. Look at that lettuce. Isn't that lettuce beautiful? That's gorgeous. That's absolutely stunning. That's beautiful. That's beautiful lettuce. It's crisp. The Torpedopot, I never water. I never feed. I only supplement. And I always get beautiful food like this. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. That's gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Man, that's what's going down my mouth, dude. Wholesome, young, tender, fresh food. Not filled with chemicals or any synthetics at all. But all so green and so beautiful. That's what Torpedopot does. It grows your food for you. So all this stuff you see in the background, I have to harvest from Swiss chard. I've got so many things I've got to harvest. I just wanted to show you guys just a little bit here. My 2 apple trees. Oh, I've got so much I got to harvest. And we'll talk to you later and keep you guys abreast of what's going on. There's a lot more going on, a lot more we're not showing you because we have so much more work to do. But Torpedopot has a lot of plants going on. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.